Some money habits actually build wealth, and if you pay attention for the next 10 minutes, I will tell you all the 14 money habits that will actually make you rich. Keep watching the video till the end. Let's start. Number 1. Set clearly defined objectives. Successful individuals recognize the importance of setting clear, achievable, and attainable goals. They understand the financial objectives they aim to achieve and have formulated a strategic plan to reach those objectives. They establish their objectives with precision and clarity, then diligently pursue the execution to turn those goals into reality, to enhance your focus and drive. It is essential to articulate your financial goals clearly and decompose them into manageable phases. Number 2. Establishing and adhering to a proper budget is essential. Financial discipline stands as the paramount factor in the journey of wealth accumulation. To effectively manage their financial resources, affluent individuals prioritize the creation and strict adherence to budgets. Establishing and following a budget will significantly improve your capacity to effectively oversee your income, expenditures, and savings. Furthermore, they will ensure that you are advancing toward your financial objectives and will support you in conducting regular assessments of your progress. To maintain focus on your long-term goals, click the subscribe button and also the like button to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers goal. Number 3. Prioritize cost-saving measures and allocate resources towards investment opportunities. To achieve wealth, it is essential to prioritize savings and investments over excessive spending. Establishing a disciplined saving strategy that allocates a portion of your income is crucial. First, it's essential to implement a systematic approach that consistently allocates funds to a savings or investment account, regardless of income levels. Affluent individuals recognize the importance of consistently allocating resources for savings. A portion of your earnings must be allocated towards investments that will yield growth over the investment period. Number 4. Continuously pursue knowledge and growth without interruption. Successful individuals prioritize the continuous expansion of their knowledge across various domains, including organizational management, investment strategies, and financial acumen. While they may recognize their initial lack of experience, their enthusiasm for acquiring new knowledge is commendable. Wealthy individuals possess the capacity to make informed decisions regarding their financial matters and adapt to evolving economic conditions through ongoing education. Number 5. Embrace an innovative approach to challenges. Affluent individuals often exhibit a strong inclination towards innovation, whether by founding their own companies or by investing in established enterprises. They are committed to adopting a unique approach to their initiatives. Individuals who demonstrate a strong desire for self-employment or are willing to step beyond their comfort zones are highly valued. Number 6. Achieve success through relentless persistence. To achieve success, it is essential to work diligently, remain committed, and persistently push forward. The approach to accumulating wealth follows a similar principle. Consistent effort is the key to attaining financial success and reaching your goals. Number 7. Establish a strong connection. Successful individuals understand the importance of strategic relationships in advancing their careers or businesses, and they actively work to build and nurture these connections. They are unwavering in their pursuit of opportunities to connect with individuals who share similar values, industry professionals, or potential mentors. Opportunities for career advancement, strategic partnerships, and investment prospects often arise when one cultivates and sustains a strong professional network. Number 8. Prioritize long-term rewards over immediate satisfaction. Those who possess significant wealth understand the importance of patience and strategic planning in achieving their goals. This represents the 8th principle of delayed gratification. They recognize the necessity of delaying immediate gratification to secure future achievements. This necessitates a disciplined approach to spending, allowing for strategic choices that will yield beneficial outcomes in the long term. It is essential to recognize that temporary challenges can lead to significant long-term advantages. Number 9. Maintain a mindset of prudence and resourcefulness. It is essential to challenge the common misconception that affluent individuals lack prudence in managing their resources. This is an uncommon occurrence in practice. Wealthy individuals approach financial matters with utmost seriousness. Affluent individuals manage their financial affairs with diligence. Fostering a keen awareness of expenditures and steering clear of unnecessary debt is a strategic approach that significantly contributes to wealth accumulation. Living below your means enables greater financial flexibility, allowing for increased savings and investment opportunities. Number 10. Participate in chances that allow you to take reasonable risks. Instead of always choosing the road that offers the least amount of danger, it is necessary to take calculated risks in order to amass money. One of the defining characteristics of successful people is their willingness to take calculated risks, whether it be in the form of diversifying their financial portfolios or engaging in entrepreneurial initiatives. Having the ability to adjust and be flexible is very necessary in order to successfully traverse the ever-changing environment of business and finance. Prosperous people are aware of the significance of efficiently managing and reducing risks, and they are also aware that seizing chances, despite the fact that they may be intimidating, is necessary for the generation of wealth. Number 11. Grow the size of your investment portfolio. Increasing the variety of our sources of money is the 11th item on our agenda, and we must acknowledge the fundamental need of doing so. Diversifying one's income sources beyond the revenues from standard work is something that wealthy people are aware of and understand. Through the formation of auxiliary companies and strategic investments, the team investigates a wide range of alternatives. With the primary goal of creating passive income, it is possible to be successful in achieving stability and increasing the possibility for wealth creation by diversifying the sources of income that one derives from strategic investments, entrepreneurial endeavors, or the generation of passive income streams are all viable options for accomplishing this goal. Number 12. Ensure that your debts are adequately managed. It is very necessary to have an efficient debt management system in order to achieve long-term financial success. It is essential to a successful financial plan that you maintain discipline in this particular area. Individuals who are wealthy are aware of the need of maintaining discipline when it comes to the management of their different financial responsibilities. In addition to leveraging debt in a deliberate manner to assist investments and commercial initiatives, they ensure that they do not overextend themselves by proactively managing their debt levels. Number 13. Make your health and well-being your first priority rather than anything else. When it comes to actual prosperity, successful people are aware that it covers more than simply great personal riches. After realizing that a healthy body is essential for long-term success, they make their mental and physical well-being a top priority. If the riches you've accumulated comes at the expense of your physical and emotional well-being, then the genuine value of that wealth is an issue that needs to be considered. Number 14. Put out a constructive contribution to the community. Last but not least, it is essential to acknowledge that high-income individuals commonly participate in charity and philanthropic activities because they understand the positive influence they may have on the lives of others, help the community grow and flourish by contributing to its growth and development. They discover a tremendous feeling of purpose and establish a legacy that goes beyond only being financially successful when they engage in the act of giving back to the community. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more money habits that actually build wealth. Thank you for watching the video till here.